You are welcome. My name is Bogrenda Joseph from Semase, Math Department. Today I will be taking you in a class of P7. Our theme is measurements, topic, length, mass, capacity, class, P7, term 3, and lesson 5 is finding perimeter of plane shapes. Here we have perimeter of plane shapes. Our discussion will be guided by the steps, the plane shapes that we looked at in our previous classes, P1 to P6. And we shall go through the examples. And these are some of the shapes that we shall be looking at. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance round a figure. Now, if we say round a figure, figure can also be called shapes. But here are examples of plane shapes that we shall be looking for their perimeter. These examples, you know them. Look at the whiteboard and we read one at a go. Examples of plane shapes. 1, rectangle. 2, square. Triangle. Another one, kite. Another one, rhombus, trapezium, and a parallelogram. I know these shapes are not new to you. You covered them in the previous classes, that is P1 up to P6. Today, as we continue to look at perimeter, as we said, it is the total distance. We shall add. Now, what are the steps that are required? 1, identify the plane shape and the number of sides. Now, when we say plane shapes, here, as you look at the whiteboard, this is called a plane shape. Now, when we say the number of sides, now these are the sides. Then, state the formula according to the shape. 3, substitute correctly. When you state the formula, you now have to remove the symbol and replace it.